everyone! Today we're here at Astha studio, the founder of Extra Invites and More. So wedding season and Diwali is right around the corner. So Astha would teach us on how to make DIY gift hampers at home. So let's just go inside. Hi Astha!
How are you?
I am good, how are you?
Hi, I'm Astha. I'm the owner of Extra Invites and More, and today I'll be doing a small tutorial on how to make small, easy hampers at home. This is a hamper that I'm actually making for a friend of mine. It's a card scene at her night, at her place tonight, and these are the things that I'm planning to put in my hamper. I'm putting some face masks, green tea, then these are some cards that I've got customized for my own company. There are mirrors and decoration elements, diyas. This is a whole accessory element. I've got some pictures printed with my friend, as you can see over here. And obviously, which Diwali party is good without some liquor and some chocolates. So these are the goodies that I'll be essentially putting in my hamper. Now coming to the things that we would be requiring to make these hampers. I need a cake base. You can find cake base at any of the cake shops. This is something that I've got from Maker Solutions in Archini. Then you will be needing double-sided foam tape, scissor, one small, one big, glue drum. Glue drum you can easily find at any stationery shop. Just make sure it's a good stationery shop which you're going to. Then you will be needing a cutter. For decorations, I will be needing red sequins, a 1/4 inch red ribbon, and red flowers. For the base work, I need A4 size sheet paper. You can take any color. I am taking yellow because this goes well with my theme. Some clay and some thermocol. So let's begin with the whole process. Okay, so first thing first, we're going to cut off this edge. So I'm just going to take a big scissor and I'm going to cut it over here. It's going to be a little hard, so just take a little effort. Now that it is cut, what I'm essentially going to do is I'm going to lay out all the things that I plan to put in my hamper. So we always start with the biggest thing. So I'm going to place it over here. So basically you just have to figure out what is going to get placed on your hamper where. So basically do a layout. This takes a little while. Once you've done a couple of these hampers, it becomes very easy for you to lay out. So I'm rolling these face masks because it's too big for the plate. So what I've done is I've started from an area which is a little, the face mask is over here. So I've started from this area and then started rolling inwards. Now make sure that the packaging is outside and you're not doing it the opposite way. Over here. So thermocol I'll be using basically to put my pictures on top with skewers. So this will be done later on. But just I'm doing a quick layout. So I think this much goodies is good enough for my hamper and I don't need to really put more goodies. So this is going to be essentially my placement. So first thing I'm going to do is now take yellow A4 size. Wrap it. Then I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna place it over here, again with the double-sided foam tape. Just make sure nothing moves. So right now it's fixed and nothing is moving really. You can even test by doing this. So if nothing moves, you're good to go. Then the next page would be placing your DGT. We're gonna go and place our face mask. So this hamper is like really simple. It's not necessary that you have to repeat these goodies only. You can make any goodie that you want. These are goodies that I think my friend is gonna enjoy. That is why I'm using it. You can always change the theme also. You can make it for wedding, even for a wedding gift. You can actually think gifting her this, or if you're a bride and you plan to give something to all the bridesmaids, I don't think so anything better that bridesmaids would want to have. Placing whatever you want wherever. It's basically your creativity that you're showcasing. After I've placed everything, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take my pictures and I'm just going to put crystals on the bottom. So take the crystals. Just gonna place it behind with sellotape. Wooden skewers are something that you can find at any grocery shop. These are your tandoori sticks also, जो तंदूर में यूज होता है. So we just place it like that. Essentially, you have to just make a small collage. Then take your glue drop. Done right now. Then I'm just gonna take my hair or pura ki ghas as I call it and just fill all the empty spots. You can even take any color pura ghas. It's known as hay as well. You can find it at crafting shops easily. And a lot of stationery shops, good stationery shops also keep it. fill in all the spots that are empty right now. Now that your hamper is ready, now comes the part where we decorate your hamper. Just make sure nothing is coming out of the hamper and everything is inside, and fill it in properly. Okay, then what we're going to do is I'm going to teach you how to make a very simple bow. Start making loops like these. So you make these loops thrice on both sides. And you take your scissor, cut it like that. And you take another strand like that. Initially, you can even take somebody's help. With practice, you could end up doing on yourself as well. Or if you don't have anyone, so you can always take your mount support and then cut off the excess bit later on. So similarly, I've made a lot of these with me. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna place them wherever we feel that it'll look nice. So maybe over here. Again, I'm gonna take my glue drop. So glue drop is basically used for ribbons. And you start placing it wherever you want. Decorate it the way you want to decorate it. You can give it any color, any theme. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly take these flowers and I'm going to cut off their stems. So again, I'm going to take my glue drop. Place it wherever you want to place it, and I think we're good to go. Just gonna go through this one. And I think we're good to go. So my hamper is finally ready, and this is a fairly simple hamper. It just took me 15 to 20 minutes to get this thing ready. So I'm pretty sure even you guys will be able to, pick up this hamper this card season, this Diwali season, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be a hit at all the parties. Now this is not necessarily that you just have to do it during the Diwali party. If you're a bride and if you're thinking of giving something customized to all the bridesmaids, I think this is the perfect gift that you could actually give. Or if you're a bridesmaid and you want to give it to the bride, then why not go ahead, put your pictures with the bride, put a lot of fun things over here, and you can get a bigger platter also done. And do let me know how you find this video, and this is very simple and very easy. Thank you so much for tuning in today and watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know in the comment section whether you tried this hamper or not, and hope you tune in again and see some new tutorials that we keep on coming up with. Bye, see you, take care.